Hey guys, we're here at the Mammoth Mountain and I'd like to show you how to use ski skates. We've got the two models, ski skates for snowboard boots and ski skates for ski boots. I personally choose snowboard boots because I like the flexibility and being able to walk freely on the slope. So let me show you how to put these on. This is the snowboard boot model ski skates. As you can see, the bindings are very similar to snowboard bindings. We custom designed them so you won't find them anywhere else. Here with the quick screw you can adjust the bindings to fit your boot size. So let me show you how to put these on. A good thing to remember is to put the buckles on the outside of your boots. It's pretty simple. And we're ready. You can use the ski skates with or without the ski poles. The ski poles might help you to keep a better balance, especially if you're a beginner. But from my experience, most people like to use ski skates without the poles, which is also my preference. So I'm going to show you how to use ski skates without the poles today. Some people say that snow feet are not allowed on ski slopes. That's of course a myth. We're here at the Mammoth Mountain and as you can see we can use the lift no problem. Let me show you how. It feels like getting on the lift with just your shoes. It's very hassle-free. You don't have to worry about your snowboard or long clunky skis. So getting off the lift is super easy too. You just need to skate, just like you would skate with ice skates. It's very easy to move on a flat surface. Unlike snowboarders, you don't need to put on your bindings, it's already on, so it's very easy to start. If you're a skier or snowboarder, you will need to learn a different kind of posture and balancing, but in general it's very easy. Most people learn it in 1 hour. Let me show you the basics. Some people make a mistake of spreading their legs too wide apart. They do it with skis too, and it's a big mistake, because then you can't control it. Instead, keep your legs about shoulder width or even closer, depending on your style. Some people find it easier to put one foot in front of the other to keep a front-back balance. It's very important to be flexible in your knees and use the upper part of your body for balancing. Keep the center of gravity somewhere in the middle of your feet. When ski skating forward, keep the tips a bit raised. When ski skating backwards, keep the heels a bit raised. What I love about ski skates is that you can start your ride by skating just like you would with ice skates. It's very easy to learn. The most important thing is to just have fun. So the best thing about ski skates is the tricks, twists, jumps, all kinds of moves that resemble the ice skates or roller skates, which makes skiing so much more fun. Now let me show you how to carve with ski skates. For the longer carves, I recommend to keep the legs wider apart, just like this. You can also perform short, quick turns. Now let me show you what to do when you go through a deeper, ungroomed terrain. Keep your weight on your heels and raise your tips. You can also slow down using your heels. Stopping is very easy. You actually stop the same way you stop with skis or ice skates. It's also called a hockey stop. One of my favorite tricks is crossovers. Goofing around. Woo! Okay, let me show you how to land on ski skates. Now there are so many different ways to ski backwards. Let me show you. The great thing about snowpark is that you can easily run up the hill to jump again without having to go all the way up. When landing backwards, don't put your weight on your heels. You would just stick them into the snow and fall. And there's one last trick I just remembered, and that's an eagle. Woo! So this is it. These were only the basics. For more in-depth tutorial or other tricks, check out our other videos. Remember, it's all about having fun. The learning is effortless. You just gotta give it a try.